The internet is brimming with opportunities for those eager to explore ways to earn money online, especially for beginners. So today I'm going to give you 5 websites that are trustworthy and you can kickstart your journey to earning money with minimal prior experience. These websites are absolutely free to get started. You're not going to make a lot of money with this overnight, but you are going to earn decent money with it. Each of these platforms offer a unique avenue for generating income online, catering to various interests and skill levels. So whether you are into creative writing or passive income streams, there is something here for everyone. First up, let's talk about Testable Minds. It's a website for testing apps and websites. You can earn from $3 to up to $30 per task. It's a legitimate platform for individuals interested in providing feedback on websites and apps while earning money for their time. Number 2, Social Tradia. This is a website where you sell Instagram accounts for profit. It's an innovative platform for anyone who wants to monetize their Instagram accounts by growing them and selling them to interested buyers. You're basically flipping Instagram accounts, just like flipping houses. You need to open up Instagram accounts, grow their followings, and then sell them for profit. Website number 3 is called SMS Profit. With this website, you can earn passively by receiving text messages. It's an easy way to earn passive income by receiving text messages with ads on your phone. Website number 4 is CashStar. In this website, all you have to do is engage in activities like watching videos or playing games to earn extra cash. It's a fun and easy way to earn some pocket money in your free time without any significant effort. And lastly, DFY Dave is the 5th website. DFY Dave is a lesser known platform offering roles in YouTube automation. It has the potential earnings ranging from $1,000 to $6,000 per month. And if you have the skills of script writing, video editing, or channel management, this is for you. Remember, success may not happen overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can turn these opportunities into a lucrative venture. So go ahead, explore, and start your journey to making online money. And if you found any value in this guide, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights and tips. Until next time, see you!